So I had just came back from my month-long vacation, and if you want to see parts from that vacation, check out my last few videos for my cruise vlog. But I just have a bunch of letters here, and I am going to unbox them, starting with this one. So this one is from a giveaway host. I didn't win the giveaway, but she had offered to send something because I had participated, and it's just this, and this washi is really nice, so I'm gonna try and save it. Hopefully I don't cut through anything. So good. Okay. Oh, this is so cute. Okay. So, there's a little note just saying thank you for participating, and she gave me some washi samples. She gave me memos, and it looks like there are some photos in here. Oh no. BTS and EXO. Okay, I'm gonna have to thank her for all of this, and honestly, she was so kind. I'm really happy that she was so kind enough to just even offer to send something for me just participating. I didn't even win. Okay, so this one I'm pretty sure are from stickers from this girl, Boo It's Ghosty, on Instagram. I was watching a live from one of her penpals, and I saw the stickers since she makes her own stickers, and I'm just like, wow, this is really cute. I wonder if she'll let me buy them. And so here we are. And I had gotten them at a really good price too. I think they were, for 6 stickers, I did $4. And that was with shipping. Okay, Tiara, don't mess this up. Struggling. Don't cut into anything. Okay. So on that note, she said that she was just thanking me for liking the stickers, and she said she included extras for me. Such a sweetheart. Okay. So here are the stickers that I bought. So these ones are a character that she had, and then this one's just Jen. It's not even on camera, sorry. So these ones are a character that she had, And then this one is Jimin. And then here are the extra stickers that she gave me. And they're all so cute. They're like little food items. And then there's a camera and a record player. And so yeah, I'm gonna have to thank her for all of this when I have time. Okay, now this one is from Kaylin or Jean Studies on Instagram. She is selling stationery sets, and I bought one. Actually, I think I bought two. So this is just what the envelope looks like, and it's so cute. It's so precious. And here's the back. And again, don't cut into this. Okay, so here are washi samples. Yeah, so I bought 2 sets from her. Here's washi samples. Here's some stickers. Oh, they're so cute. There's some penguin stickers. Okay. And then it's just like a note. Here's memos. Oh, these are all so cute. I should ask where she got them. And if you really like this, then you should really check out her Instagram. She is a journaling account, and you should buy some from her. I'll link them in the description. But yeah, these are all really cute. I'm going to have to let her know that this came and thank her for everything. And I'll probably be buying more in the future. And then, oh, there's more on the back. I didn't even notice this. Here's 2 more. And then, again from her, I have washi trade. So here's that now. Okay, she honestly decorates her envelopes so nice. And then just the overall theme with it is so pretty. Let's see if I can actually open this. Okay. Oh, she gave me extras. Oh, these are all so cute. I love Snoopy. Come on. She gave me some memos. I feel kind of bad because with mine, since I had left literally 2 days after and most of my stationery was already packed up, I didn't put as much washi as I probably should have and honestly wanted to. And she gave me a lot more, and I'm reading the note right now, and she's saying that she didn't put a lot, but she definitely put a lot more than I did. And so I need to like step up my game for next time. But yeah, I need to tell her that she knows that I got it, but I just need to like tell her thank you. And then this is a pen pal letter from Lee. She added a BT21 picture on the envelope, and if you watched my last unboxing video, you would know that Lee is the one who literally spoiled me, and I literally want to punch her. She's the one who gave me this photo card, and I thought it was an official photo card before like I saw the back, and I literally like wanted to cry. But yeah, she gave me candy. I'm gonna murder her. Okay. She spoils me. Wow. Oh, these are extras. Okay. So, first of all, she gave me like those little bracelets that everyone had in like elementary school that are shapes, and I love it. And she gave me some peppermints, and I honestly adore them. I love peppermint. I love anything minty. And then she gave me this really nice Polaroid, and I'm pretty sure she took it herself, but it's so nice. And I'm going to plan a dark theme somewhere in my journal. And so, okay, sorry, I was reading her letter really fast, and she's like, I saw your video of the unboxing, and she's like, with this letter, you're probably gonna want to slap me, and quite frankly, I do. So, she gave me a postcard of Cape Cod. Honestly, I don't know how, but she kind of understands everything that I love to have. And then she gave me these, which I will be using. I'm gonna have to do like so many themes, and I love it. This is what she writes the letter on, and I think she uses it each time, but I adore it. And then on this it says Pen Pal Dares, write a perfect date with your bias, and 2, if you could date anyone from BTS, who would it be and why? So I'll answer that, and then these are just extras. So if I can open it, that would be lovely. I'm sorry, you could probably hear my dog. Oh, she gave me whole rows of washi. Okay, So this is a keychain. She's like, if this is scratched, I'm so sorry, and if you want a new one, tell me. She gave me a Jungkook keychain. I'm literally, I can't with her. I feel like such a bad penpal. Oh my god. I wanna scream. I'm gonna slap her. Okay. Okay. So here's she gave me entire rolls of washi. And then here's that. And then, so this is actually one of the sheets that I made for her. And I sent it with her last letter. And so she's just saying thank you for it. And then she really wants to die. She keeps on giving me like high quality pics of things that can really kill me. So quite frankly, June has definitely been bias wrecking me. And then she sent me this picture. I don't know how she knew, but she sent me this picture. And I'm gonna like die. Yeah. And then this is so cute. It's like a little drawing, and then she has all of her like social media on it. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, well, that's it for my unboxing right now. I will film a couple journal with me's and study with me for my Korean, and then pen pal with me if I feel like it. So I'll see you guys on the flip side. Bye.